Hey folks, a pustule is a bulging patch of skin that's full of yellowish fluid called pus. It's basically a big pimple. Several conditions, ranging from something as common as acne to the once deadly disease smallpox, can cause pustules. They show up when you have some sort of infection your body is trying to fight off with white blood cells. That can result in a mixture of infected fluid and dead white blood cells, or pus. When pus builds up under your skin or in a pore, it can cause a pustule. They can be caused by acne, psoriasis, rosacea, chickenpox, and even smallpox. Your doctor will treat the condition that's causing the pustules, but a topical medication you put directly on your skin or an over-the-counter treatment like calamine lotion or benzoyl peroxide gel might help with them in the meantime.
Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, well, for 1 month, actually.
And
I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And, yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes.
Thanks.
You're welcome.